Brad Hall here. Today I'm talking about a brand that is really having a moment right now. It is Crocs. If you've got a pair of Crocs and you want it to stand out from the crowd, I have got you covered. I am going to be sharing 5 easy ways to customize your Crocs today. If you've been keeping up with the sneaker news, I'm sure you've seen a lot of pairs of Crocs floating through. I think part of that, the pandemic. It is time for some nice comfortable footwear, something that you can wear inside. Crocs is also churning out those collabs, and a lot of them have been really solid. I like that Pleasures pair a lot. I also really like this Chinatown Market Grateful Dead pair. So a lot of good Crocs collabs. Now I personally didn't know a ton about Crocs before this recent run of them. Now I feel like I've got a better understanding of them, and something that seems so big in this world is customizing your pair of Crocs. They offer a lot of charms. You can put those right in those holes. So today I want to talk about some easy ways you can customize your Crocs, and then at the end I am going to show you one of those ways. I will be customizing this pair right here. Probably the easiest way to customize your Croc is by adding charms, but if you really want it to stand out, go ahead and add your own charm. There are so many things you can do with it. Those are all really good ideas. Hopefully that gets your creative juices flowing. Another easy way, especially if you have a white pair of Crocs, you can draw right on it with a Sharpie. You can just have a lot of fun drawing on these and really personalize the shoe. You can go ahead and you can put a fabric on there, adhere it to that surface. This next one on the list is probably the easiest on the list. You can just put it inside of a plastic bag. Kind of makes the shoe look like art. And this last idea for customizing a pair of Crocs, this might be the most ambitious, but we are gonna tackle it right now together. My idea is actually altering the body of the Croc using a pair of scissors. I want to make a double Croc. I've got this Croc and then a much bigger Croc, and I want this one to kind of sit inside of it but still show off that top Croc, so you're getting 2 Crocs in one. That's really a huge Croc flex, wearing 2 Crocs at the same time. So we are going to start by carefully cutting away some of this larger Croc using this pair of scissors. So we've opened that Croc up. We are ready to go inside. Pretty nice fit so far. Pretty perfect fit, actually. Now I kept that original strap, so we're gonna lock it in with it. See how that looks? That is pretty nice. It is locked in. I thought this was gonna be a little bit harder than it was, but it turns out this might have been the easiest way on here. And it does look really great. This is a Croc that you're not gonna see often out there, so you will stand out wearing this. If you do decide to alter the Croc in this way, you still can add charms, you can draw on it. So many possibilities for customizing it. I'm gonna add a charm to it. So, see how this looks? Now this custom feels way more complete. That just took it up a notch. Anyone who wants to customize a pair of Crocs, I hope this was helpful, and thanks so much for watching.